Welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and some period 1930s through to, well, at the very latest 1960s Royal Doulton. This is the pattern called Grantham. These are 10.5 inch dinner plates. You can see the classic Royal Doulton shaping with the irregular borders and this ribbing on the deep English rims. Grantham is basically a brown and white transfer designed by Royal Doulton. And then all the colour you can see on the blockwork in the centre is hand applied by the decorators. These are in very fine condition, probably date from 1940s, 1950s. We've got period Royal Doulton lion and crown marks with Grantham D5477 and some decorators marks on them. No specific date marks on them, but as you can see, the glaze on the front and the rear in very good condition considering their age. Stack of 5 of them, all in similar, very good, clean condition. A nice, not overly fussy design Grantham, dating from middle of the century. Fine Royal Doulton china. Grantham D5477 dinner plates. Thanks for watching.